How's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're doing something a little different. So let's get this started. Here we go. Alright, welcome back. So lately I've been thinking instead of just doing tutorials, I'll kind of take you like vlog style and go through my daily process. When I'm grinding and all that, it'll be the time-lapse stuff. So in this video, I'm going to try to cut out a lot of the editing process, like all the slow motion. I'm still going to make those videos, maybe one a week or one every other week if this works out. But if not, I'll go back to making those videos. So leave me in the comments if you like this style better or if you like the more refined style better, with all the slow motion and all that. And before I get any further, shirts like this are down in the description on my website, and there's knives available. I think there's one at least up there. I'm going to try to finish this one today and get this one up there, so this should be up pretty soon. Affiliate links are down there too. Alright, let's get on with this day. Here we go. Alright, so today I'm going to have to do another sheath because of that one stupid that one stupid deal. But before I do that, I had a friend contact me. She said she actually really liked the way that looked, so she wanted me to make one for her. So this one will be right-handed, and hopefully I'm gonna get it done real quick. So over to the grinder and let's get this bevel all ground out and all that. You know, I'm not gonna show any of the, I'm gonna dicum it up, draw the line a little bit up so that way I can take one side off and then bring it down. So I'm not going to show how I dicum it or do that. I'll put the Kiridashi video up here, and you can check that out if you want to see how I grind it and all that. Alright, to the grinder. Boom, and just like that, we're done. This one actually has a lot higher bevel on it than the first one. Kind of like it like that though. Alright, so next we'll do Kydex on this and Kydex on this. This will be the third time doing a Kydex for this one because, man, I just want this one to be perfect. Then it'll be up on the website. So that'll be next. Hopefully finished and good to go. I did Kydex in the last video, so what you'll see next is just how these came out. Hopefully it's good. I'll be back. Whew, yeah man. Just like that, it's done. Ha ha ha. Yeah man. Tomorrow is logo and sharpening, and it'll be up on the website. Bam! Yeah. So glad I redid it. And this one's done. This one's kind of hard to figure out, but it's there. Man, I did this on the disc grinder and check that little groove out. That was like an unexpected thing, but man, I really like how that turned out. This side is the bevel side and this side is the flat side. But man, I love how that, it's almost like a reverse swedge or something. Alright, I'm getting ready to do the logo But I noticed when I took these scales off, I guess because I always kept them on like that, there was a bunch of rust. So I had to hit this and re-dip it and re-stone wash it. I made sure to tape up the bevels so there would be minimal buffing when I took them off. So if you follow me on Instagram, you can see the whole process of how I do things daily on my stories. Time for the logo. And bam, just like that, we're back on track. You can see right here the logo. Like I said, I like to hide it in the shadows. You can feel it, it's under the steel, but if you look at it at a glance, you won't even see it's there. Last step is to sharpen this bad boy. So let's get over the grinder and I'll show you what I do for sharpening. So anyone doesn't know, I built this into my platen. It's just like a little platen on top. So I can hold my angle. Sometimes, you know, the only problem with this is going this way, so I kind of have to hold it at an angle like that to get it even. Or I'll come back here. Sometimes I'll even come back here and use it on the top wheel this way, but this way it's fine. You know, I might have to come up with something different, so this is only a smaller lip, because I run this in reverse. I built this whole arm. I rebuilt this whole arm. You can see this top piece on here so it can slide back and forth so I can run it forward and in reverse. Takes a while to figure out, but now that I got it, it's all better. Here we go. Bam, and just like that we have a burr. So now I'll take it over the wicked edge and just hone everything in. Looks like I gotta upload today's video though, so. See, I think that's how water, when I was dipping things, and when I was doing all that hand sanding, stuff got under these handles and it rusted. So I made sure to oil up under there. I have these silicone cloths, I think they're made for guns, gun and reel. And you just wipe them down and it helps seal in everything. So they're really good. I forgot I had these for the longest time. That's about it. And just like that, we are sharp and ready to go. So I think that's about it for this one. Tell me in the comments if you like this kind of vlog style stuff where I just kind of go through the process instead of doing like step-by-step tutorials. And it's kind of a shorter video too. I've noticed on the analytics, people like shorter videos, so I'm going to see how this works out with shorter videos. I'm going to still try to do a little bit longer videos. I've got a couple 01 ideas and some 1084 ideas back to basics, but I'm waiting for that steel to arrive. Thanks for watching. Shirts like this are on my website. This knife should be up pretty soon if it's not going to be already sold. I've got a few other knives up there. Amazon links are down in the description too. Thanks for watching, and as always, take it easy. Some vlogging, some nice. Alright, so, you know, kind of over. Alright, we'll try to cut out, like, so in this video you can feel it, it's under the scale. That way, you know, more people watching. shirts like this are in my